What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm gonna be doing an update on SOFI stock.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up.
And in today's video, first of all, I will show you where we are on a price chart and how we get there. Then we'll continue with amazing fundamental news that might drive the price of this company higher. And at the end of this video, I will share my thoughts and my technical analysis. And I will show you what should we expect next. And before we get into all of that, if you guys would like to earn 2 free stocks with Moomoo valued up to $7,000, please check out that link in the description below. All you have to do is sign up for an account and deposit as little as $1. This is guaranteed free money. Full details you can see on the screen right now. So let's start with the price chart. I made my previous video right here at this point and I've told you that this asset found very good support from the $6 range, and I've told you that you can accumulate your position with the stop loss slightly below this region, and technically we had very good chances to hit high targets, and from this range we went higher for about 15.5%. Definitely it is a very good movement, especially with this increase in volume, and we broke the 200 exponential moving average, as you can see right here, and we hit the 55 exponential moving average on hourly time frame as a resistance right now. And I have to say that this movement was predictable, and I drew this purple line about 10 days ago, and as you can see, this line represents the potential price action of this asset, and we have this curvature to the upside. Definitely it was 100% expectable. So what to do next with this asset I will show you in my technical analysis, but for now let's continue with the fundamental news. And first of all, let's start with the general news for entire market. Definitely the main news right now is the Federal Reserve's meeting results, and right here on May the 4th we have this article that is titled "Fed rises rates by half a percentage point, the biggest hike in 2 decades, to fight inflation." And let me quote you these bullets. The Federal Reserve increased its benchmark interest rate by half a percentage point in line with the market expectations. In addition, the central bank outlined a program in which it eventually will reduce its bond holdings by $95 billion a month. The rate move is the largest since 2000, and it is in response to burgeoning inflation pressures. Fed Chairman Jerome Powell underlined the commitment to bringing inflation down, but indicated that rising rates by 75 basis points at a time is not something the committee is actively considering. And let me show you these details. The Federal Reserve on Wednesday raised its benchmark interest rate by half a percentage point, the most aggressive step yet in its fight against a 40-year high in inflation. Inflation is much too high, and we understand the hardship it is causing. We are moving expeditiously to bring it back down, Fed Chairman Jerome Powell said during a news conference, which he opened with an unusual direct address to the American people. He noted the burden of inflation on lower-income people, saying, "We are strongly committed to restoring price stability." That likely will mean, according to the chairman's comments, multiple 50 basis point rate hikes ahead, though likely nothing more aggressive than that. And I have to say that 50 basis point rate hikes is already priced in the markets. And let me show you that Dow Jones gained about 2.81%, Nasdaq gained about 3.19%, and S&P 500 gained about almost 3%. Definitely huge increase in these indexes. And I have to say that it is not the only reason why we have this massive surge in price for SOFI. As you can see on your right side, SOFI is in the leader of these stocks, and here's another reason why we have this spike. In addition to the aforementioned macro catalyst, there is a company-specific driver that's sending SOFI stock higher. Today's increase started in early trading and has accelerated this afternoon. This catalyst around SOFI's Galileo subsidiary. Today, Galileo announced it would be partnering with MasterCard to accelerate digital transformation in Latin America. And let me show you this news in detail. Galileo Financial Technologies, a subsidiary of SOFI Technologies Incorporated and MasterCard, on Wednesday, May the 4th, unveiled a multi-year strategic alliance focused on accelerating digital transformation and improving access to financial opportunities for unbanked and underserved segments in Latin America and the Caribbean. The partnership between Galileo and MasterCard will enable Latin American fintechs and issuers to build and launch digital financial services using their combined capabilities and infrastructure, according to a press release. The companies will distribute various MasterCard products and services to support their customers, the press release says. Galileo is now a preferred technology partner and fast issuer processor within the MasterCard partner network. MasterCard Engage in Latin America and Caribbean. Internet and smartphone penetration across Latin America has reached nearly 70% and continues to grow per the press release. And I have to say that Latin America is one of the fastest growing fintech markets. And let me show you this website. We are on marketdataforecast.com, and this is the Global Fintech Market Research Report. We have some interesting details. First of all, the global financial technology market is expected to grow gradually and reach a market value of approximately $324 billion by 2026, growing at a compound annual rate of about 25.18% over the forecast period 2022 to 2027. And let me show you that right here. We have market leaders profiled in this report, and one of these leaders is SOFI, as you can see right here. And here you can find SOFI on the 10th place as a key players in the market. And definitely this 10th place is a very good base from which SOFI might be a leader in this segment. On top of that, let me show you the Statista.com website, and this is also the summary of fintech market. And let me quote you the highlights. The market's largest segment will be digital payments with a total transaction value of $8.5 trillion in 2022. The average transaction value per user in the alternative financing segment is projected to amount to $35.71,000 in 2022. The neobanking segment is expected to show revenue growth of 39.9% in 2023, and neobanking segment is the core segment for SOFI, because SOFI is one of the leaders in this segment. Next one. In digital payment segments, the number of users is expected to amount to almost 5.2 billion users by 2026. And definitely these numbers show that the fintech segment is really important for now for banking industry, and it is the leader in its growth of almost 40% year over year. Definitely SOFI might be one of the best beneficiaries in this segment. And because of this news, we have very good forecast from TipRanks analysts, and we have 12 ratings. 7 of them suggest to buy, 5 to hold, and 0 to sell. And even the lowest price target is $10. Average price target is $14.41, and the highest price target is $22. This means even to the average price we have about 100% of upside potential, and this is massive. So, and let's continue with the technical analysis, but before we dive deep right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So guys, what should we expect next? Definitely we have this movement to the upside, and I have to say that it is only the first initial movement, because we will have their earnings report on May the 10th in a matter of just 5 days. And in my opinion, the results in this earnings report will be amazing, despite the student loan moratorium that was extended basically till the end of this year. And I have to say that because of the latest partnership with MasterCard, we might see amazing guidance for upcoming quarters. And in my opinion, Q3 or Q4 for this company, for SOFI, will be the first profitable quarter. And definitely this will increase the price of this company even more. And what should you do if you want to enter the position? As you can see, we hit the 55 exponential moving average on hourly time frame as a resistance, and most likely we might have some kind of retracement, especially if I pull the Fibonacci retracement from this swing high from the level of $10.5 all the way down to $6 mark. As you can see, we have very good right here. As you can see, we have very good confluence with this range. And most likely we might see some kind of retracement in upcoming sessions, and then we will have next leg to the upside that will hit higher targets. This means if you want to enter your swing trade position, just accumulate all the way down, and your stop loss should be slightly below this $6 mark. Because if we will break it, and we still have this possibility unfortunately, but if we will break it, definitely we will see lower consolidation phase and lower prices for this asset. But in my opinion, we still have much higher chances to hit higher targets. And on a greater scale, let me delete this tool, on a greater scale I have to switch to 4 hours time frame. We have very good targets, and if I pull the Fibonacci retracement tool from its swing high of $24.52 on November 11th to this swing low, we have the first target of 0.236 at the price point of $10.32. And from our current range, we might have about 50% of upside potential to this first target, and depending on your entry price, when you will ladder your buys down, your upside potential might be up to 60%, and definitely it is a very good medium-term gains. But for the long-term perspective, we have to hit at least the golden pocket range, and it is the confluence with this yellow line. It is the range of support/resistance from previous price action. And this price target in between $17.43 to $18.03 implies the upside potential of about 170%. Huge upside potential for this asset, and in my opinion, it is one of the best assets for the long-term perspective on the market right now. So I think from the technical standpoint, that's it for now. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell. And see you guys and girls next time. Bye!
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad. I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad. Doing no cap. Only God wants you, better go.